multi-data source configuration in Java database connectivity. Here we are considering multi-data source configuration. Here the multi-data source configuring multi-data sources for use with here Oracle RAC, RAC. To connect WebLogic server to multiple Oracle RAC nodes using multi-data sources, first configure a generic data source for each Oracle RAC instance in your Oracle RAC cluster with the Oracle Thing driver. Then configure multi-data source using either algorithm for load balancing or algorithm for failover, and add generic data source to it. This figure shows the typical multi-data source configuration. You can use WebLogic Server Administration Console or any other means that you prefer to configure your domain, such as WebLogic scripting tool, WLST or a JMX program. To use a database connection in this configuration, your application look up one multi-data source on JNDI tree and then request a connection. The multi-data source determines which generic data source to use to satisfy the connection request based on the algorithm type specified in the configuration. That is failover or load balancing. Here you can see a multi-data source are in WebLogic servers. Here data sources are in multi-data source here. Here also data sources are in multi-data source here. Data source is connected to here rack. This data source is connected to rack node 1, RAC1, RAC node 1. Here this data source is connected to RAC node 1 here, and these two data sources are connected to RAC node 2 here. Here RAC nodes interacts with shared storage. Here RAC nodes are node 1 and node 2 interconnect. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.